Good evening, good evening, good evening. I hope everyone is having a fantastic evening. Welcome to another day of Guru's Crypto Garage. And what a ball kicker it has been today. Hello, Mr. Christian. Today is Thursday, February 27th, and I feel like I've got drop kicked right to the side of my head, but we're here ready to rock and tell you what's going on before, do you sell your Bitcoin? Do you keep your Bitcoin? Do you buy more Bitcoin? What are we doing? What's going on? What's the energy? But all I know is Bitcoin crashed below 80K today, and I almost fell out my chair at the dealership when I saw the notification.
Yeah.
Working car deals, guys like, can I get the payment? Oh, sure. I'll take the payment.
So, I had to work. I worked overtime because of the crash, trying to get more.
I better make that deal. Hey, don't let that guy go. We need every deal.
Don't let that guy go. He wants that interest rate. We'll work out a deal.
Yeah, I will figure it out. Hey, all I know is we're having a good time. Let's make it happen. So what happened right now, right? Bitcoin crashed below 80K, the lowest it's actually been since November of 2024. I mean, we're talking way back in 4 months ago, but not that long. But we have seen billions in liquidation. I mean, this is after so much has happened with all. Has this been an action-packed week, Christian? I mean, all in the last 7 days?
Action-packed week, action-packed day. I mean, Trump again.
Everything, right? You know what I mean? We've had billions in liquidations today. We had the exchange hacked. We had full on panic. People were just like, ah! But what do we say? Hey, when in doubt, do what?
Zoom out. Right? Or sell your kidney. Or sell your kidney. Like Michael Saylor just said.
Michael Saylor said, don't sell your Bitcoin, sell your kidney. So let's talk about where we're at right now. And I'm looking, Bitcoin's dropping. We just dropped below 80K again. But let's look at this. I mean, we had a little bit of a flash crash, and we're still crashing. So I've got a couple things we can chat about it right now. All right, let's go over it. In the last 48 hours, Bitcoin has been absolutely wrecked, right? And here's what led to the massive drop in my takes. Bitcoin was holding at 94K strong this entire week. Then boom, we got that stupid buyback, the Bybit hack, right? The $1.5 billion got stolen. Then we had the Trump tariff announcements, macro fears hit, liquidation started rolling in. In just days, we saw BTC drop from 94 to 86K, and now what? Under 80K?
Under 80K. This is going crazy right now.
This was the biggest shakeout since 2022, right? Over leveraged traders, I hate to say, I had a little leverage in, got waxed, right? But over leveraged traders, I wasn't over leveraged, lost billions right now. And now everyone's screaming, right? They're scrambling, they're going crazy. But hold up, are we really doomed, or is this a setup for a massive rebound?
Not looking rebounding right now, but it looking like feels like a shakeup every day. It's a shakeout. It seems like it. It just comes really lower and lower and lower. But we're doing what we can to stay in the game. But there's positive news. I mean, every day that seems like there's negative news, there's positive. SEC dropping charges on Coinbase. That was huge. And SEC saying we're not charging meme coins.
No, they're saying they're not securities, right? So that was big.
Securities, that
was a big thing. People were talking about it. They heard there's gonna be some new meme crackdown. I saw Twitter was rumbling about that this morning. Like I said, I've been pretty busy. Just so everyone knows, I'm in the car business. So my month end every month is trying to finish off making car deals, right? So I do that during the day and, try and keep track of everything that's going on. And there's so much. That's why I built my buddy AutoGuruAI, and he's got a lot to say. He actually wants to talk right now, and I tried to explain to him. He doesn't speak yet. So that's coming, or at least I don't like the voice. My wife, I gave her some samples today, but basically, Twitter's been going crazy, right? Some people are saying it was manipulation. Yeah. Some people say it's the big shakeout before the big pump again, but check this out. One guy, Crypto Shot Daily, said mass liquidation sent BTC from 93 to 85, And he was talking this could dip to 70K. If panic selling continues. I mean, right now we're sitting at 79K. This bond, Vlad, I'm just giving you some examples. These guys are saying extreme fear on the 25 on the index, but this level could be a massive buying zone. It could be a buying zone. I actually look at this as a very good opportunity to pick up some more Bitcoin. Anything in this 70K range, I mean, if you think about it, shoot, that's like 7 cents on the dollar, right? So what do you think? Is it engineered or just market cycle doing their thing? Drop it on the chat.
Mike, yeah, let us know. But I think it's market cycle. People were calling the 200 I think 200 EMA. I forgot what it was called.
Moving average, yes.
Yeah, and yep, it hit it. It hit. It hit it. Everyone was like, it's not going down to 78. It's right there. It's 79. It's like right there. It's like, so I don't know if it's pattern or coincidence, but it seems like there's always a big shakeout before a big pump. I don't know. I'm excited to see what happens either way.
Hold on. Let me bring in let's go like this. We'll bring in the. I apologize. We don't have the pig today. Like I said, I got off work really late. So pig cam, it's going to have to wait to another day. Boom. Let's look at the BTC chart. BTC chart. Pretty ugly. Right?
It's really red.
Really ugly.
Red.
Okay. But we'll talk about BTC right now. Is actually on a downward trend. I'm looking at BTC tracking. If you look at it, really looks like we're headed straight to $73,000. I was telling Christian tonight, I said, this looked like a little fake pump. A minute ago when we broke back to 81K, I said, I really feel like this is one of those things where you close your eyes and you wake up and you open your eyes at 74 grand. Right? It is what it is. But we'll see what it really looks like. Like I said, if panic selling continues, if it really continues, we're going to see a 72, 73 Bitcoin, no problem. I'm not happy about that. I don't like even talking about that, but it is what it is, right? I don't want to.
Hey, take a look.
So right now,
hey,
don't worry about. Do not pay attention to the girl inside the box.
Take a look.
She's not trapped.
She's trying to tell you to take a look. Maybe
she's telling me. She's telling me to take a look at Ethereum. It could be a buying center. I'm like, honey, this could be a bull trap. This is
I've been taking a look all week. It hasn't been
taking a look all week. And let me tell you, I've been getting dumped on all day. I'm like, hey, I ain't taking no more looks. Right? I'm good. Hey, I feel like I got caught in a bad peep show. I need to get my eyes out of there. Hey, here's the deal. I actually, in a bullish scenario, I think we see a bounce from here and we see an 85K Bitcoin probably in the net, and that is one set. There's one way. It's either going to go one of two ways. And of course, we all, of course, it's going to go one of two ways. I don't think we're going to see much sideways chopping. We're either going to see an 85K Bitcoin and start our way back up, or we're going to see, it chop back down to, like I said, 72, 73K. Now, and you say, well, what could possibly cause it to come back? I mean, there's been so many things. This guy could actually get. It's every time he's on the microphone and talking to the United States, we're dropping hard, right? It's almost like I could almost put a short every time and hit it every single time. Yeah. But he could say something insane, like let me just get to be a bullish scenario. Tomorrow, we're thinking we're going 72 grand for sure, and this guy gets on and says, "Hey, guess what? Bitcoin reserve is happening right now. We're just putting in this much money." Bam, 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 bam. Changes everything.
And then on top of that, he goes to say, "We ended the war. We ended the war. No taxes."
Yeah, a lot of different things going on.
So. Yeah, a lot of different things he could say.
Yeah. So, like I said, today the big drop on the meme coins. That what's insane, and we'll talk about this in a second. As I told Christian, I'm looking at some of these coins. I'm looking at everything what's happening, and 2 days in a row. Do not take anything I say as financial advice, but 2 days in a row, I'm watching everything get smashed. And we're talking.
Pull up the image. Pull up the image of the guy, of the person that you're going to talk about. The coin. Yeah, because it makes more sense pulling up the image.
Because I am blown away. Yes.
Chaos is everywhere except for one guy.
and it's pretty mind-boggling to me. And I don't know why
I don't know.
It is blowing my mind. Let me see if I can find him. Hold on. Let me do it. Oh, that would put. Hold on 1 second. Let me move this whole. Boom. I'm working them. Anyway, keep going, Christian. I will find this for us.
No, I mean, it was great news about the SEC dropping Coinbase. They've been fighting Coinbase and SEC for years, like 4 years, 5 years. So he's coming.
He's coming in on. I'm trying to put him on with this.
No problem. So that's great. And then the fact that they can't go over Trump for the meme coin, that was big. People were scared because I'm dropping meme coins. They said, nope, SEC ain't going to go after you. It's not considered a security. That was pretty big. That was really big today.
I would have thought that would have been huge, right?
Yeah, I mean, what?
Hey, do not take anything I say as financial advice, but you can look at the chart yourself. This guy, during everything,
this guy right
move. I said, this is freaking amazing. I mean, the whole world was in utter chaos. Okay, he was up. I mean, we're talking pennies. He's actually almost back up at his high. It's like 3 cents. Nothing to be pumped about, but he was at 3 cents. He rode his way all through the whole thing. I thought it was hilarious, right? Him and Bonke's down to 12 cents, but making his way back up, right? I just think it's hilarious, and who would have thought, right? But it's been a crazy time, guys. All I'm saying is hold strong, hold your Bitcoin. Do not. I'm not selling. You do you. You got to sell. I got it. I'm not selling. I'm holding on as hard as I can, and it's tough right now. It is tough. If you can buy. If you can't, I got it. If you're scared, I understand that too. It's a scary time, right? I mean, shoot. It's blowing up right now.
It's definitely a scary time, but
extreme fear usually means, all I know is this, and I'll end at this. What did Warren Buffett say? When there's blood in the streets is when the money's being made. In extreme fear usually means opportunity. The opportunity isn't when everyone's buying, right? When Bitcoin's at an all-time high and you're buying just because everyone else is buying, that's not when the millionaires are made. The millionaires are made when everything's dipping, everyone's freaking out, and they're riding the wave up, right? But I don't know what you're doing. You let me know what's going on in your take and what your takes are. But I'll tell you one thing too. So here's the question: if you're holding, are you dropping? This kind of volatility shakes out the weak hands, but smart money is watching these levels closely. I'm going to tell you that for sure. Look at what the big money's doing. Look at the big wallets. They are still accumulating. I mean, they know what's going on, right? Some of this could be market manipulation. Some of this could be the guy who I'm afraid of is poor Michael Saylor is going to his company's taking a big hit in the morning, right? But we'll see what it is. Buckle up. This could be a start for a big correction. We'll see what's going to happen. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Like our channel, subscribe, follow us. We're going to be on YouTube. We're on TikTok. We're all over the place. Facebook, Instagram. I hope you guys are enjoying the show. Be blessed. We'll see you tomorrow.
Have a great night.